there's rain out there now in the hill country or even parts of the far western metro. Lake Travis right now from the Oasis restaurant camera, you can see some of those downpours already coming down, and we need more rain. We need some rain in the lakes too. They're not as full as they were a couple of months ago, but we really need the rain in our aquifers as well. And we're getting some here today. We're getting more tonight into tomorrow. So this is our very slow moving storm system. We promised it would be slow moving. Hopefully you've had the patience on the rainfall arrival here today. It's finally starting to shift eastward. The western hill country just outside of the KXAN viewing area has had the worst of the rain today. The highest rainfall totals, more than 5 inches in some spots. Even parts of Gillespie County, we've had more than 3 inches of rain already today, and it's still raining. And the hill country is where the most widespread rain is right now. As far as the metro goes, just a few spotty showers or a quick little downpour that we showed you within the last few minutes or so on camera. But then as you get into the eastern hill country, parts of Burnett County, you're getting some very heavy rain. Lake Victor, frequent lightning with you there, so you want to be inside for that one. And you head down 281 and you're just dealing with a very wet drive through Burnett toward Marble Falls. A strong thunderstorm there that even continues into portions of central and northern Blanco County. And then into Gillespie County, Mason, San Saba, Llano, you're dealing with steady rain, not quite as heavy as it was earlier, but steady nonetheless. And this is all gradually shifting eastward and will eventually get into the Austin metro, likely after the sun sets though. So close at about 5:30, 6 o'clock. As far as your flood threat here today into tonight, it's a 2 out of 4 from 35 westward. It does jump to a 3 out of 4 for parts of Mason County and a very small sliver of San Saba County, where some of the heaviest rain has already been here today. There is a low 1 out of 5 severe weather risk from today through the night tonight for all of central Texas. Large hail, damaging wind, the primary concern, but there is that low, brief spin-up tornado possibility, but not our highest concern of the next, say, 12 to 16 hours. All right, let's take you into the evening then as the storms and downpours gradually shift out of the hill country into the Austin metro counties as we get past sunset. So early evening, rain and storms starting to affect the metro and eventually then shifting into our eastern counties. Still some rounds of rain and storms overnight, but lower rain coverage near midnight until our second and likely final round of more widespread rain starts to redevelop early Friday morning. You see this cluster of rain? This will be shifting eastward into the Austin metro as we head into the morning commute. Could be slow going if this model ends up being reality here with that 6 o'clock rain and storms. Of course, KXAN News Today, make sure you're watching tomorrow morning. They'll be tracking the rain as it moves through the area and then into our eastern counties. And then the rain winds down as we head through the day, giving way to increasing sun in the afternoon. So tonight, on and off rain, some of it heavy, of course. Overnight lows in the mid 60s. Can't even rule out a stray severe storm. And then we'll start off your morning tomorrow with rain and some storms gradually pulling away with increasing sun on the way by late morning and into the afternoon and a high of 79. Still on track for many areas to get closer to 1 up to 2 inches of rain in the metro and into the eastern hill country. Many areas maybe closer to 1 instead of 2, but we could get some localized higher amounts. Still thinking those areas that exceed 2 inches will be primarily in the western hill country. Areas east of 35, perhaps not quite getting to 1 inch here tonight into tomorrow morning. And then we're drier for Saturday, just a low 10% rain chance. Those rain chances have lowered on Sunday, but they pick up late in the day. Sunday night into Monday now looks to be the wettest period, and we already have a low 1 to 2 out of 4 flash flooding threat for Sunday night into Monday morning. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. After the Monday round, we get one cold front, dries us out on Tuesday. Then another cold front brings in chillier air for Wednesday and Thanksgiving, which may only be in the 60s.